Welcome to all. Now I deal with the symptoms, causal organism and epidemiology of the cotton fusarium wilt. The causal organism for the fusarium wilt is Fusarium oxysporum. It is one of the major diseases in the cotton growing areas. It is believed to be originated from Mexico or Central America. It is also present in the other hosts like Chile, Bendy, tobacco, and etc. In the symptoms are acquired in the both seedlings and in the later stages. Initial symptoms on young leaves are yellowing and browning of the cotyledons, followed by the petiole becomes to a brown ring formation. Finally, wilting and drying of the seedlings. At later stages includes loss of turgidity, yellowing and drooping and wilting start from the older leaves. Browning or blackening of the vascular tissues on the stem and spreads upwards and downwards. It will be identified through the longitudinal cross section of the stem, and the vascular tissue is affected by the fusarium. That is the browning or blackening of the vascular tissue is one of the important symptom for the fusarium wilt disease, and it infect plants in the stunted, and flowers are also the shedding, and the fewer bolts only presence in the plant. And the etiology of the fusarium wilt is the fungus presence in the both xylem and phloem, and also affects in the cellular in the inter and intracellularly. The mycelium plugs it to the xylem, and it sucks the nutrients partially or completely. Two types of conidia are present. One is macroconidia and the other is microconidia. The macroconidia is 1 to 5 septate, hyaline, thin walled, linear to falcate shaped. The falcate shaped conidia is also present in the chili also. It causes the chili anthracnose caused by the causal organism Coleotrichum capsi, and the other microconidia is hyaline, thin elliptical to spherical, single or two-celled. Disease cycle is the fungus can survive in soil as saprophyte for many years. Secondary spread is through wind, water, and other physical and biological agents. Epidemiology. The disease was more severe in the heavy soils with the temperature of 30 to 35 degrees Celsius during the crop season. The management for the fusarium wilt disease is treat the acid delinted seeds with carboxin or carbendazim 4 gram per kg of the seeds during the seed treatment before the sowing, and remove and burn the infected plant debris present in the soil by using the deep summer plowing during the June to July. Apply increased dose of potash with the balanced dose of nitrogenous and phosphatic fertilizers. Apply the farmyard manure or organic manure as a high dose of 100 tons per hectare. Spot drench with the benomel 0.05% or carbendazim 0.1% to control the disease. Thank you.